If you watched my last video, you now know the 4 hidden gems that the top 1% live by every single day. But here's the thing, knowing them is one thing, living them is what changes your life. So today, I'm inviting you to take the 7-day challenge with me, a week of small, powerful actions that can shift your mindset, your energy, and even your results. Each day, we're going to focus on one of the gems, and by the end of the week, you'll have all 4 working for you, automatically. And don't worry, this isn't about spending hours on self-improvement. These are quick, simple steps you can fit into your day, but their impact will be huge. For the next 2 days, I want you to get crystal clear on exactly what you want. Not more money or more happiness, I mean specifics. How much? Doing what? With who? Where are you living? Write down your dream life in as much detail as you can. Picture it. Feel it. Clarity is your compass. Without it, every step you take could be in the wrong direction. For these 2 days, act as if your dream is already real. When you talk, when you make decisions, when you wake up in the morning, carry yourself like the person who already has that life. This isn't pretending, it's aligning your actions with your future reality. And your brain starts building the pathways to make it happen. These 2 days are about moving. Choose one small action each day that brings you closer to your vision, not out of fear, but out of excitement. If you want to start a business, send that first email. If you want to get fit, sign up for the class. If you want a new job, update your resume. Momentum builds confidence, and confidence builds results. On our final day, we focus on gratitude. Write down 3 things you're deeply grateful for, not just family or health, but the little details that make you smile. Gratitude tells your mind, life is already good, which makes it easier for more good to flow in. And that's it, 7 days, 4 gems, 1 new way of living. The 1% aren't born different. They just do things differently, consistently. Your future is built by the actions you take today, so let's start building.